Hi guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel, The Donkey Business. Today I'm going to talk about a movie that you recommended to me yesterday. I asked you all to recommend me a Malayalam film, old or new, from the genre of thriller, crime. Somebody recommended Mumbai Police, which released in 2013 and is available on Disney Plus Hotstar, so I'm going to talk about what I thought of the film. But before I start the video, I want you to please recommend me your favorite romantic movie, be it from around the world, from the Hindi cinema, from the Malayalam cinema, anywhere, and I will definitely talk about it next week. So I'm going to start doing this every week where we're going to have a lot of interaction on movies and stuff. So please do that in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. A lot of you guys are watching my video but not subscribing. Please do that, it would be really helpful. So now talking about Mumbai Police is a Prithviraj starrer movie that released in 2013 and is not based on Mumbai Police or based in Mumbai. Now why it's called Mumbai Police is why you should be watching the movie if you haven't yet. So the movie story is honestly very interesting. It's about Prithviraj, who's a police officer at a very high level, and he gets through an accident because of which he loses his memory while the case of a very important person is going on. And once he's back from the hospital and stuff, he does not lose the case and he's still a part of it. Prithviraj is looking so young and handsome and like energetic. He still looks very young and handsome. He's aged very nicely, like, you know, like a Ajay Devgan who looked just younger, but now he looks wiser and better in terms of like body. Prithviraj also has that vibe. He was just like younger looking, like a little new child in the industry. It was looking like that, but it was honestly very nice to see him. So in the movie, Prithviraj has like two different personalities, one before the accident and one after the accident. Before the accident, he's like this rowdy, you know, who's like really violent and has anger issues, and you know, he's not very nice to be around, and he does not really respect people, and he does what he wants to do, and that was kind of very icky to watch, especially that one scene where he mistreats the woman. I was like, oh my god, that's not okay. But it was good to see that nobody in the film, you know, the actors found it okay. And then after the accident, he has like a whole switch. He looks very innocent and like very lost, and he does not know what's happening. He's lost that entire violent streak that he had in him. So that was really nice to see like two personalities. I just did not like the Prithviraj in the before the accident part. It was very like bad to watch him like that, but great acting of course. And even in his look, there's no difference in his look as such, but like the way he looks only is very different, and like his eyes were speaking a lot is what I'm trying to say, and that was a very nice thing to watch. So I watched the movie with my mother, and when my mom was watching the movie, she thought that the killer, spoilers, but I'm sure that you all have all watched the film, so it's fine. So when my mom was watching the movie, she thought that the killer is going to be the friend, Rahman, basically. And the actor Rahman, she thought that he's the killer, and that's why he's like not putting Prithviraj off the case, and you know, like he's still letting him be, so that, you know, if Prithviraj does not remember anything, it's very hard to find him, which was a very good like thing that they put in. But honestly, I'm not like showing off or whatever, but by mid movie I think I kind of understood that it could be Prithviraj because they were kind of throwing clues around, but the twist was the gay homosexual twist. I did not expect that, and I was just like, what the hell happened? That is kind of random. But again, we have to consider that this movie is 2013. However, if I saw this movie in 2024, like if it was a 2024 movie, I don't think I would have liked it that much, because now, you know, people have changed, the culture has changed, people are more open about a few things, and things that were a taboo at that time are not a taboo right now. But for a 2013 movie, I would not say that it's a bad film. It's nice, but the end homosexual twist is something that I think could be better. I don't know why people honk so much in Mumbai. It kind of is annoying. Anyways, so thank you for the recommendation. I enjoyed watching the movie. It's available on Disney Plus Hotstar for who has not seen. Sorry for the spoilers. I've already put it out that Prithviraj was the killer in the movie. But it was apparently a blockbuster, and it really like was a hit. However, again, I'm saying if it was a 2024 movie, I don't think I would like it, but because it's a decade-old movie, it kind of works. It could have like a better reason for him to kill his own best friend and then go all crazy about it. But do recommend me another movie in the comments below. I will review it next week on my channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.